Gets it, Teddy Hart.
Teddy trying to set up the time bomb. This could be it. All he has to do is hit that button.
Wait a minute. I don't even think he's going for the button. He's going for one thing. Holy.
Wow.
Shooting star press from the top.
And all 5 men are out. 6 men.
M-Dog about to fire Yoshino into the side of the exploding Kings. No, it's M-Dog that puts on the brakes. Clothesline does underneath and keep dragging it. Almost going to the bomb. I think it's safe to say this match, everything we expected and a whole hell of a lot more. And the referee again, wait a minute, Teddy Hart doesn't realize he's got the referee.
He thinks he's got Sakota. Oh, this poor They blew up the referee. They blew up the referee.
Factor in this match, whipping Teddy Hart in. Teddy not only blinded, but blown to smithereens.
Yoshino's gonna go start the time bomb.
No,
This
it's
has to end
over.
soon.
He's gonna hit it.
Oh,
That's it, guys.
these guys don't even this is it. Get blown up. Teddy Hart's blinded.
We gotta get these